Hello everyone, I am Hajira, Nakshatra 916 Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you very beautiful ladies neck chain collections, very beautiful design, lightweight collections. Let's go to the detailed video. This is the first design, first neck chain. I am going to show you very beautiful box chain collection. You can see here beautiful design. You can see here how it looks, box chain. This one is the very strong chain. Long lasting, durable. Everybody can use this chain. Kids, ladies, everybody can use this chain. Strongest chain. This one only 6.9 grams. Next one I am showing you, this one is Parunda chain. You can see here it looks heavy, but it's lightweight collection. Only 6.27 grams. This one is Parunda chain. You can put small locket here and it look good. Next one I am showing you very beautiful Bombay chain. We use lot of collections we have. We use anklets, bracelets, all these things in this chain. Bombay collection, Bombay chain. We use anklets. Also we use hip chain for kids. Very beautiful chain. It looks heavy, but this one is very soft chain. You can see here. I am showing you from near. Bombay chain collection. This one very beautiful V chain. You can use it as a daily wear. All working women, college girls, everybody can use this chain. Very beautiful design V chain I am showing you. Look at here. This one is the V chain. Okay. This one only 5.92 grams. Around 6 grams. All comes lightweight collections chains. This one gold finger chain, you can see here, I am showing you now. Gold finger chain, this one is gold finger chain. This all comes under lightweight collection. All ladies neck chain collections I am showing you now. This one only 5.5 grams. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our neck chain collections, it's available in our Al Nada shop. Visit our shop Al Nada 2, Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshatra Jewelry. Also, you can do online shopping in India, all over India delivery available. Within 8 days, you can get the delivery. Contact 9846 361 916. If you want to watch more videos, more collections, subscribe our YouTube channel, follow Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. See you again in next video. Signing off Hajira. Bye bye.